everyone. So I am going to clean this corner. I thought I'd take you along and show you my organizing process. I have a container right here of stuff that I don't want anymore. And then I'm just going to go through stuff and things that I don't need right now. I'll probably pack away and go from there. Shampoo, that can go in a different room. Let's see. Okay. I want this and these on the hand. Okay. This box can get packed away. It is all wand making stuff. I don't need that for you. Oh, your chipboard. That needs to get put away. So I'm putting stuff that I need to put away in another area. I'll deal with this later. Okay. So I have a bunch of these, which is just they're bags for making the covers. So I'm gonna fast forward through quite a bit of this, and I'll stop and explain my process and stuff as I go. Okay, this is what's sad. I have been searching for this bucket for months. Hi. Okay, so here's how I have this stuff organized. This in here is like collectible stuff I don't want to, memorabilia. Magazines to read, pictures, stuff like that. They will eventually get packed, but I have more of this, more of these magazines that I want to pack them all together, so I'll wait on that. This is a bucket of have to get put away that belongs in here. I have a container right here filled with stuff that needs to get packed. Doesn't belong right in this vicinity, but there's areas where it does. I believe this is all fabric, except for this. That's not fabric. Yeah, this is all fabric. Which we'll have to go over more fabric another time, because you just said I have a lot. Way too much. Okay, and this gets shipped out, so I'm going to put it in the packing. That's cute. We're going to put that in the journal. Okay, so it's coming back over to this. So, as sad as this sounds, I like to hide this one. My kids know that there's sugar in here. This is our candy bucket. But if I have stuff on there and I make it harder for them to get to, we don't eat it as often, which is great. We pull it out for movie nights, and they like to eat it for everything. What is this? Oh, apron for fairs. Yeah, I can pack that up. Here's my packing. Just as my son needs to get in here and what is his. So what's in these? So this is perler beads. I have a tendency to have lots of little kids here, so we have a lot of perler beads. And then those two drawer cupboards are just filled with stuff. This one's all kid stuff for school, and the other one has like things that I like, memorabilia stuff that is waiting to get into an album or something. So I'm not touching those right now. Okay, so I made some progress in this little area. What I would like to know from you guys, I wonder if I can. Going to end this little video, and thank you for stopping by while I organize this. I will see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.